Hey friends, it is me, Stace. Welcome back to another Cricut video. Today I have a really cute project. This is for the teacher. This is a pencil gift card holder. How cute is that little pencil? Just pull the pencil point and inside is your gift card. Very easy, very fun to make. Let's go to the computer and we'll get started. Alright, here we are at the computer. I'm already logged in to Cricut Design Space. I am also on the welcome screen. And we're going to go right below where it says recommended for you on the far left. Click on the back to school category. And then we'll scroll down until we get to the teacher gifts, which is right here. And I want to make this pencil gift card holder. Go ahead and click on that. You'll see it brings up a preview window. Very bottom, click on customize. I'm not changing anything. I just like seeing what layers are in the project. All right, so here's the entire project. It does come in group together. We're going to right click on that and choose ungroup. So we have a black piece here. We have these two cream colors, the yellow, then we have two gray, and we have two pink. Now, if you go to the far right in Design Space, you'll see your Layers tab. If you click next to that, it says Color Sync. Go ahead and click on that. That'll show you the colors. The way the Cricut has it is each color has its own matte. So we have 5 mattes because we have 5 colors. I do want to combine these so I have less mattes. So I'm going to actually take these two pieces here and put them on the black matte. So I'm going to look over here. I can see them there. Just going to hold them down and drag them to the black piece, and you'll see them change colors. Then these two pieces here, I'm going to drag those. And I can see the pink piece is the one that's curved. The gray is the straight-sided one. So I'm going to drag those to that mat. So now we just have the 3 mats here. Upper right-hand corner, click on Make It. So we have the yellow piece. Now these lines here and the word thank you is using the Cricut pen. Then we have the pink mat. I'm going to separate these pieces. Again, the curved end here is the pink, so I'm going to drag those over here. So I can put pink cardstock here, and then I can put gray cardstock up there. Then we have mat 3, which is our black. I'll move this piece down. So again, I can put a black piece here and a tan color there. I'm going to go ahead and click on Continue, cut everything out, go to the table, and we'll put the card together. All right, we are back. Everything is cut out. So first, we're going to go ahead and finger press on the square marks on this yellow piece. You should get all 3 of them. And then we're going to go with our bone folder and just give that a better crease. Alright, this is going to create a pocket, so you want to go ahead and put some glue on these 2 flaps. I'll be using my art glitter glue. And you want to go edge to edge. And a nice even layer. I find I put a good amount on there. Then I'm going to take my pinky finger and just kind of spread it out a little bit, just so it's even. Alrighty, then we'll do this flap as well. Okay, then again, I'm going to spread that out some. All right, now we're just going to fold this so it creates the sleeve. Wipe my fingers off because I have glue on them. Alrighty, and just hold that for a few minutes, let that glue set in. Okay, I think that looks pretty good. Yeah. Okay, all right, so that one aside. Now we have this piece. We're going to go ahead and put this piece on here. And this is just basic black cardstock from Walmart. The yellow I'm using is Paper Tray Ink Bright Buttercup, and this tan color is also Paper Tray Ink, and this is Saffron Spice. It was the closest I had to the actual pencil color. And the pink is Lovely Lady, and the gray is Stormy Sea. All right, so make sure you do both sides. And this part here is the part that holds the gift card. You'll see little cutouts there. All right, so we have that. Now we're going to take this piece and put our pink on right here. Again, you want to do both sides of it. How cute is this, right? Either you can give it to the teacher or you can have your kids give it to the teacher. I think a lot of times teachers are underappreciated. This is just a great way to brighten their day by attaching a gift card holder. You know, years ago, I remember gift cards were exclusive to stores only, so you had to kind of guess what store the person you were giving the gift card to liked. Now you can just do a Visa card, and they can use it anywhere they want. All right, so now we have the gray layer. Super cute. I really like this. Okay, so super simple to put together. All right, just want to make sure that's on there really well. All right, so you put your gift card in here. Again, you'll see the little cutouts here. I just have this blank card. It's the same size as a gift card, same thickness. That would slide in there, and then this would slide into this pocket like that. So it looks like a pencil when not in use. How cute is that, right? Super cute. Love that. All right, so I do have a card kit for you. All the pieces are here. Everything is already cut, ready to go, so you can make the same exact project. Leave me a comment below with just tell me you want to be entered in the card kit, and I will pick the winner. Now, I did change my dates. This coming Sunday. I used to do it on Saturdays. It's now Sunday. So this coming Sunday, if you enter in any of the card drawings this week, make sure you watch Sunday's video just to see if you want the card kit. But there you have, my friends, super simple Cricut pencil teacher gift card holder. Any questions, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I will see you next time. Bye-bye.